back to our channel. In today's video, we will be sharing some quick and easy gluten-free breakfast ideas that you can enjoy every day. Whether you have celiac disease or simply prefer to avoid gluten, we've got you covered. So, let's jump right in. Gluten-free toast with avocado and eggs. Start your day with a delicious and nutritious breakfast by toasting gluten-free bread and topping it with mashed avocado and scrambled or fried eggs. This breakfast is packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, making it a perfect way to fuel your day. 1. Gluten-free oatmeal. Oatmeal is a classic breakfast option that can easily be made gluten-free by using certified gluten-free oats. 1. Add your favorite toppings such as fresh fruits, nuts, and honey to make it even more delicious and satisfying. 2. Gluten-free smoothie bowl. Blend together your favorite fruits, almond milk, and gluten-free protein powder to make a delicious and healthy smoothie bowl. 2. Top with granola, nuts, and seeds for added texture and crunch. 3. Gluten-free pancakes. Who doesn't love pancakes for breakfast? Make them gluten-free by using a blend of gluten-free flours such as almond flour, rice flour, and tapioca starch. 3. Serve with fresh fruit and maple syrup for a sweet and satisfying breakfast. 4. Gluten-free breakfast burrito. Wrap scrambled eggs, sautéed veggies, and cheese in a gluten-free tortilla for a hearty and delicious breakfast on the go. 4. Add salsa or avocado for some extra flavor. Conclusion. There you have it, 5 quick and easy gluten-free breakfast ideas that are sure to please. Remember to always check food labels and ingredients to ensure they are gluten-free. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, like, and share.